Click on the Alison app icon to open it. Click on Get Started and then click on Sign Up. If you already have an account with any of the provided options, click on it. If not, click on Sign Up with Email. The app can provide suggestions for courses based on your interests and goals. Click on Get Recommendations. The app will ask you a series of questions. Scroll up and down to see all the response options. Click on the options that most closely reflect your needs. Click on Continue. Answer all the questions to the best of your ability. You can always adjust or change these responses after you have completed your registration. From time to time, you may see ads displayed for courses. Click Close if you are not interested in the course. And that's it. You've completed your registration on Alison. Explore the recommended courses and find new ones. You will also receive an email from Alison asking you to confirm your account. So be sure to check the email you used to create the account and follow the instructions. You can learn how to use these apps and more by watching the relevant training videos on the Unity website. Thank you.